So hello दोस्तों, welcome to my channel online study. So now our question is how do we do level order traversal of a binary search tree or a binary tree? So first of all, this is our given binary tree and this is a root element, and we will take a queue data structure of the data type node. Now first of all, we will put our root element into our queue, that is 5. Then then we now then we pop our queue element as 5. Now what will we do? Now we will print the node element, that is 5. Okay, then we will push our left and right child of this node element into our queue, that is we will push 3 and 7 in queue. First of all, we will push 3, then 7. Now we will pop our next element, that is 3. We will print it and push its left and right child into the queue, that is 1 and 4. 1 4. Now we will push our now now we raise this. Now we'll pop out our next element from the queue, that is 7. We print it and push its then push the left and right child of the node 7, that is 6 and 9. First of all, we will push 6 left child and then right child, that is 9. Then we will be erase it and we will push our next element, that is 1. And so one node has no left child, so we will only push the right child of the node, that is 2. Now we will print the 1 and erase it. Now we will pop our next element from the queue, that is 4. Now 4 has neither its left child nor its right child, then we only just print it and erase it from the memory. Next we pop out our next element, that is 6. Now 6 has also no left and right child, then we only print it 6 and erase it. Now our next element is 9. We will pop out 9. Then 9 has its left child as 8. We will push it on our queue element and print a 9 and erase it. Now our next element of the queue is 2. We pop it, we print it and push it left and right child. So here as we can see that 2 has neither its left child nor its right child. So we just erase it and pop our next element, that is 8. Now 8 is the leaf child, so we just print it and erase it. So now this way, so now by this way we can see that our queue data structure has been empty, so our traversal has been completed. So our result that is bring out is this is the level order traversal result of a binary tree, that is 5, 3, 7, 1, 4, 6, 9, 2, 8. So this is our level order traversal of any binary tree or a binary search tree. So now we will see the C++ code of this implementation. So now we will see the implementation of the above explanation. This is the basically our level order traversal function, which will take the root element and we make a queue of the same data type as node star as of same as root element. Now we will push the root element in our queue data structure and we will do the traversal till when our queue will become empty. So first of all, we will take the first we will take the front element of the queue as temp and we will pop the queue. Now we will print the data, and if its left child is not null, then we push the left data into our queue, and if its right child is also not null, then we push the right data into our queue data structure. And hence, by this way we will traversing our queue till when it will become empty. So this is the time complexity of the code, that is big of n, because we are traversing every node of the binary tree. And this is the space complexity because we are using a queue data structure which will take a big of n complexity. So this is the explanation of this question. Hope you will understand the concept, and if you are having any doubt regarding this, then please comment below, and please like the video and share the video, and also subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.